Hello, I'm Autumn. I'm a full-time working mom. I'm a licensed esthetician and a makeup artist. And today I'll just be taking you through this makeup look. This is kind of my version of a quick weekend makeup look when I have a little bit of time to pull myself together. So I'll be playing with the Lorac Gold eyeshadow palette today and take you through how I got this look. All right, thank you so much for watching. Okay, for foundation, I'm going to use primarily the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. I'm going to mix in a little bit of the Revlon Photo Ready Airbrushed Effect. This is a little bit light for me. This is a little bit dark for me. So I'm just going to mix the two. My favorite foundation brush right now is the Morphe M439. It has a rounded dome and it blends it out so quickly. On the weekend when I just want to look a little bit put together, but I have nothing special to do, and I don't want to take a lot of time away from my family, I just try to do my makeup as quick as possible. For concealer, I'm going to start with the Benefit Boing. It's a brightening concealer. Has a little bit of a peach tint, which will really help the purplish under eyes. And then after that, I will do the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. Both of these are really lightweight. Since I used pretty lightweight foundation, I used a really thin layer of it. I do not want my concealer very thick. I just want really lightweight concealer as well. A slightly damp beauty blender. Although I applied foundation with my brush, concealer with my finger, I just want to go and blend everything with a beauty blender. To set my face, I'm going to use the Milani Prep Set and Glow powder. I'm going to use that same beauty blender, load it up with product, and set under my eye. With the Morphe E41 powder brush, I'm just gonna sweep it over my entire face. This powder is also really lightweight. It has the tiniest bit of luminosity to it, but nothing shimmery, nothing over the top. Just a really good setting powder. I'm going to combine my bronzer and my blush today and just use one product, the Sweetie Pie Bronzer by Too Faced, with a Real Techniques powder brush. I'm just going to do a light wash all over my face. And then with a Morphe R2, I'm just going to do concentrated on my cheekbones. I want to smooth out under my eyes, so I'm 438. I'm just gonna go another layer under my eyes. Before I start my eye makeup, I'm just gonna curl my lashes. I love the Shiseido eyelash curler. It is my favorite. I don't want to have to spend a lot of time on my eye makeup, so I'm going to use the Mally Shadow Stick first as my base. It looks dark, but when you blend it out, it won't be that dark. I love to blend out cream eyeshadow with the Real Techniques Dome Shadow Brush. For eyeshadow, I'm going to take the same bronzer, just get a mixture of all the colors, go in my crease. Nothing precise at all, just bringing that transition color up onto the brow bone. For my lid color, I'm just going to use my finger. I will use the Lorac Gold palette. This is Unpredictable right there. This is having quite a bit of fallout. Use my crease, Morphe 433. Just kind of blend that out. Man, there was a lot of fallout there. Wet Beauty blender will help hide any of the fallout that got down below. I'm okay that it got in my inner corner. I would do that. A little bit more color in my crease. I'm going to use Undressed, the lightest color. This is a Crown double-ended brush. I got it from work. I don't know much about this brush. Just go up to the brow bone. One less blend of the crease. My bottom lash, Morphe E36. I'm just gonna pick a color of the bronzer. I'm gonna do the darkest. I really like that dark color, so I'm gonna go in and do the outer portion of my lid. One more quick lash curl. For mascara, I always use Maybelline Waterproof Lash Discovery. I use that for my first layer, both top and bottom. After I have my waterproof of mascara, which will hold the curl in my lashes, then I use any other mascara for my second coat. Today I'm going to use Tarte Lights Camera. My lips are feeling super dry, and I'm going to use the IT Cosmetics Vitality Balm. There's no color to it. It feels like chapstick. It does give just a pinky flush. Whenever I have the time, I do take a long time to do my eyebrows because I like them very crisp and precise. But I'm gonna do them a little bit faster. For an everyday brow, I use a, this is from Pinnacle, and it's their eyebrow palette. I got this from work. I mixed the really cool ashy color and then the lightest blonde color. Okay, pretty much done. I'm gonna do the Urban Decay Chill Setting Spray. So I'm gonna use the NYX Lingerie Liquid Lipstick. This isn't. So just a real quick application of the liquid lipstick, because I don't actually want a matte lipstick that dries down really matte. So on top, I'm gonna put the Neutrogena Hydro Boost lip gloss. Just for fun, I'm gonna throw in a little bit of highlighter, and I'm gonna use the gold, Lorac Gold eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna swirl, just tap in a couple colors. Just because I was trying a new palette, my look came out a little bit more shimmery than I expected, but I like it, and it was fun playing around with this. So, all right, well, you guys have a great weekend. I have a lot to do, so I'll see you next time. Thank you.